So today we are going to be unboxing a Toreba crane game package that came in the mail today. It has two things in it. I believe this is the one that has the Pokemon backpack and the Snorlax cushion. We'll see. 1 second and we'll unbox it. Comes with little shipping details. So first, I see this is what it comes with. That's what it looks like so far. Whoa. This is the first item, Snorlax cushion. Let's open it. So that is what the Snorlax cushion looks like. It's actually pretty fluffy. I thought it was going to be a little smaller than this, to be honest. So pretty pleased about the size. Pretty durable. Feels like it's pretty fluffy. So let's get on to the next one. The next one looks way smaller than I thought it was going to be. Pokemon backpack, Pikachu backpack. It looks way smaller than the picture that it was going to be. So let's open it and see. This one I got from my kid who loves Pokemon. We're going to see here. It looks like it's a little handbag, not even a backpack like it said it was. Yeah. Said it was a backpack. This is a handbag. They should be advertising a handbag, not a backpack. But it still is pretty cute for like a little girl or something, but not for my son. Because the way the picture looked on the thing was this. This is what it showed. So it looks like there's two straps at the front. So it looks like a backpack, and they say a backpack. But it's not. It's a little handbag. Pretty fluffy though. Seems like it's made out of good material. A little zipper in the front. Okay space for the front pocket. Got a little, it's like a kid's lunch bag almost. It's exactly what it feels like. Like the inside material feels like a little lunch bag. ASMR here. Alright, so that was all that was coming in that Toreba shipment, but I have another shipment coming with 7 items in it, and I'm hoping to unbox that one too. So that's it for today. I'll make some more videos and I'll upload them. Have a good one, guys.